Alright, I'm here in Garberville, California. Just finished a climb up in the redwood tree, stopped here for dinner, had some grilled vegetables, and read the post. Read the post on the on my phone about using the Fixe pulley, and so I came to the trunk of my car and pulled out my hardware bag. And I know I have a Fixe in here. I don't use it very often. I don't really like the Fixe, but let me see. I have a feeling it is probably... Nope. That's the double shiv one. I like that one. It's probably way down at the bottom. I think that one is it. Perfect. I'll just set that right here. And then I need two. I think these Petzl the AMDs will work fine. They're pretty slim right here, so we'll set that. Oops. I'll clip this one here so it's handy, and there should be another one. No, we'll stick with the little ones for beginners. Alright, so I think if I put the blaze on it first, let me see if I can do this one-handed. Put this one up here on the windshield, and then put one, I guess it would go in regular and flipped around, and then that would have to go inside. Okay, so far so good. Now the tricky part is this other carabiner. No way, yeah. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna fit. Would go like that. I don't like clipping carabiner to carabiner, but dang, that totally works. Oh, that's awesome. With all the gear I already have, Oak, I think you just saved me $50. I was about ready to buy the CMI pulley, but this definitely will do the trick. I'll be able to clip the bottom carabiner clip the bottom carabiner to the end of the rope. And I'm doing a climb this weekend, actually, or excuse me, tomorrow with 15 kids. So I'll get a chance to try this out. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hopefully I'll have a moment to take some pics or video of it. Say goodbye to the hardware bag.